I missed my train, and the next train got delayed. I got on the wrong train. My bus for Canterbury. Hi. Welcome to Chuche's Mind. Good afternoon to you guys. I missed my train, and the next train got delayed. I got on the wrong train. My bus for Canterbury is for 1:15, and the time is currently 1:10. So I literally have 5 minutes to get to Lewisham, and this train does not get to Lewisham in 5 minutes. It's going to take like 15 minutes to get to Lewisham. The only prayer now is that my bus is delayed as well, so that I can get on that bus, because I don't have money to get on the next bus or money to pay for train to go to Canterbury. I don't even know what I'm going to do in my life at the moment. I'm smiling, but I'm panicking deep inside, and I'm scared deep inside because I need to catch this bus. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because of this train. Pray for me. Like, today can't get any worse. It can't. I left the house in a rush, and I woke up at 9 today. I woke up at 8. No, I woke up at 7 today actually. And then I don't even understand my life at the moment. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what is going on. I'm trying to track my bus to see if the bus is going to be delayed, so that I'll have peace of mind. Because you can actually track your National Express bus. So that's what I'm trying to do now.
We will shortly be arriving at Blackheath.
Ooh, apparently my bus is going to be delayed by 11 minutes. So hopefully I meet up that 11 minutes. Because if I don't, oh god. Guys, I just finished sprinting. I got here on time, like 1:15, but the bus is not here. So actually it's going to be delayed. Praise Master Jesus. I just hope the bus has not gone, Sha.
Yeah.
Yeah, the train was delayed, but I still got here on time. But then the bus is not even here. Apparently the bus is delayed, so it's delayed by 11 minutes. So thank God. I'll just wait here till it's time and see what's going to happen. My bus is here. Fine, thank you.
Canterbury?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you. Finally, what? Made it. I'm so hyped. Like, I was so scared I wasn't going to get to this place. I was going to miss my bus and everything, but unto Jesus be the glory. I made it. Then I didn't even understand. Today has just been higgy haga. I got to this place, I got the wrong address. I went to the lock to try and put the code and get the keys for this apartment, not knowing that I was at the wrong lock. I was now struggling with that lock till I read the message properly. Just like my dad would say, Uche, calm down and read before you act. When I went there, then I went to the wrong house address. I was struggling to use that key to open that address. I am tired. I don't even know what is strong with me. But yeah, we are here now, and it's time to do what? A house tour. Yeah. Come on guys, let me take you round my Canterbury apartment. I'll be here for like a week. yeah, so courtesy Airbnb, that's how I found this amazing place. Shall we do this? Yes, we shall. To buy food, but I don't know if I'm actually going food shopping, because I realized that ever since I came here, eating has not really been a priority. Like, I hardly eat. I can just eat twice or once a day and I'm not even affected, and then I can just eat something little and I'm good. I don't even know why, but that used to be me and that's still me. But yeah, I'll show you guys something. So another thing is that I've been telling myself of how I'm going to buy everything I've been craving, so I'm going to taste everything. That, like, it has been like how many years and all of that till today. The only place I've gone to is Macadonald's, and I've tried Häagen-Dazs ice cream because I love their ice cream, but that is all. That is all. 1 second. As I was saying, I got Tesco cookie. You guys know how much I love this cookie. And then, since they were doing 2 for £2, I want to try the sticky toffee cookie. I love toffee and I love caramel, so why not? This is going to be my dinner for today. Canterbury is so beautiful. Like, I know you guys will be like, I'm always panting, but I'm walking from Tesco, which is like a 9-minute walk to my apartment, because I just realized that I low-key need to just buy all the food stuff I need now, rather than going to Tesco every time I think I need food or I want food. Isn't that like a smart thing to do? Yes, it is. I think tomorrow I'll try and show you guys around, so you guys will soak this beauty with me. and maybe I might cook and teach you guys a couple things. I'm just saying I might try, because at the point I get tired, I don't even want to do anything, because I've realized that this holiday I haven't been in the mood to do anything. I find filming stressful, I find editing stressful. Everything is just looking long and stressful to me, but I'll try my best. It's raining now, I'm still talking, so I'll see you guys when I get home. And welcome back to my kitchen. Let me now show you guys my fat belly. Let's do this. I've unpacked some things though. I'm loving. You know how they say when you come back from going out, you need to wash your hands because you carry germs around with you. So a sister girl is doing that. My video is meant to be up to date. I'm here playing, but it's okay. I'ma do what? I'ma do this for you. Let me just arrange napkins. Let me just arrange everything and then edit my thumbnail for my video. Not sure. I realize that I get tired of this so easily. Like I'm not one a day type of girl. Let me show you guys what I get from Tesco. Some things came in the house which I might be using. You never know. So yeah, I didn't buy this now. You know that the 2 pieces, I didn't buy them now. I want to make shawarma, so I might show you guys the process of making shawarma. I might make it this night, we shall see. But wrap, I don't know how to pronounce this thing. Tortilla wrap. I will have borrowed no from Tari, but I forgot, so I had to buy this knockoff. I don't know what this is, but when I newly moved to this country, like when I started foundation, I used to use this. Trash, best believe. Then mayo, chili mayo. This is Nando's. I couldn't find the normal one, which I wish was kind of cheaper that I can use. I want to make cheesy pasta, which I don't know when I'm going to make it. So I got this. Then we have ketchup and mayo again. Ketchup for sausage, or you need ketchup in your life. Juice. This used to be my all-time favorite juice. Let me say juice. It's from Tesco. Everything here is from Tesco. I don't know why I'm talking like an idiot. But it's tropical flavor. Not be a new. Then I got this chicken. But I don't really like this chicken, but since it's already cooked, all you just have to do is warm it and eat it. That's why there's ketchup. I got eggs. You can't do without eggs in your life. You know, it's spicy, it's juicy, it's what? Egg goes with everything and anything. Frankfurt, the best in the world. You can't compete. Chicken. Basically, hey, wow. Chicken, because a girl likes what? Her chicken. Yeah, standard. Yeah. Just when I'm using style to post for thumbnail. Then nitty gritty. Yeah. I have more. Grape. I got me my, you know, if you guys watch my vlog, you see how I've been shouting about Greek yogurt. I finally got me some Greek yogurt. Not that thing they call Greek yogurt back there. Milk for my cheesy pasta. I couldn't find pepper. I think they ran out of pepper in Tesco. Almost everything has been sold out in Tesco. I didn't go to the big Tesco, so I just like I can manage this sauce thing. Hopefully my food will be spicy. spicy, not spicy. Tomato for egg and for chicken sauce. Onions. You need onions in your life, don't you? Yeah. Onions for flavor. See, I got cheese, cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, Abby. And then I bought bread because I want to eat cheese and bread. It's been a while. And then again, I was just like, cheese and bread won't make sense with no butter. And I don't want to buy butter and start taking it back home, because not back home, back to my next apartment or the next place I'm going to stay in. I didn't want to do that, so I was just like, let me just buy this 39p butter. When I'm done with the butter, I'll leave it here and go, because it's 39p. It don't cost nothing. My fave popcorn. If you watch my Manchester, if you watch my St. Andrews vlog when I was doing my masters, this was my library food or lazy food. If I don't want to eat, I'll eat popcorn and I'm good. Like I said, I bought bread. I feel like everything I bought is kind of much for just 1 week, but it might not be. I might be hungry at night. I'll come and pick something to eat, you know, or you never know. Then I got cheese. Put some cheese in your life. You know what? Put some cheese in your life. I was right. Cheddar cheese. Jesus, I literally played myself. I thought I saw mozzarella. Now two cheddar I go buy. Sometimes when you're not thinking right, but it's all good. Cheese not cheese. I bought cabbage for my what? Shawarma. And last but not the least, but the last for now, bell peppers, because I want to make sauce. So bell peppers. I just realized that I forgot to buy water, but we thank God that there's something called tap water, which is really clean and good. So we're going to drink tap water. So yeah, I think that's the end of this vlog, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye. And yeah, if I'm going to cook, it's going to be a separate vlog, because you know what,